Have you ever wondered why all airplane tires have straight tread? Well, the reason for that is actually really important. Let me explain. The two major reasons for this is because the tread on the tire surface provide better traction between the tire and the runway surface. This is especially during takeoff and landing, when the aircraft often encounter wet or rainy conditions. This is where the straight tread patterns on the tires help channel water away from the contact area, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. The other main reason is because if cross-thread was added, the aircraft touching the runway with the tires not rotating may tear off a tread block and cause a blowout, which may further lead to a disaster.